Hello everyone, I'm going to make a macrame bracelet today using a square knot. Now I've just purchased, this is the bracelet that I'm going to be making. Now this one was made in 1.5 millimeter, it's like a satin thread but it's nylon. So this same bracelet is going to now be made in 2 millimeter thickness. Now I've bought this kit. As you can see, there's lots of different colours. So today I'm going to be using blue and pink. You can see the difference in the thickness. Not only that, it should work up a lot quicker by using the 2 millimeter. Got a lighter for burning the ends, a pair of scissors, a ruler. I'm using a macrame board. You don't have to use one. I prefer to work with one, but you can just stick it to the table with some sellotape, get a pin, secure it. So you do not need to use one of these. These are bulldog clips. I have one at the top of my board and I'll have one at the bottom of my board to hold everything in place. So to start with, we need to cut 4 lengths. We need 2 lengths of 100 centimeters of the blue and 2 lengths of 100 centimeters of the pink. So I'm going to do that now and come back to you. So I've cut 2 lengths of 100 centimeters of blue and 2 lengths of 100 centimeters of pink. So we take blue and pink and we're going to measure 5 inches, which is 12 centimeters. Then I'm going to take the blue, I'll just pop it on here. And then the pink. On the other side. Like that. And then this is going to go underneath the clip at the top. Take pink, the outer pink one, the outer blue one, put them to one side, and then I pull these down, and then what I do is I put them at the bottom of my board and attach a clip. So we've got the top and we've got the bottom. Okay, so we take the left hand side and we go over the top. We take the right hand side and we're going to put it underneath those two, pull that through, and that's the start of our square knot. We then are going to do the same but the opposite way. We're going to start with the right hand side. So we go over this way, then we take this one, we go underneath, and then we pull that one to the top. to this one, underneath, right hand side, take this one, move that ruler, left hand side, blue thread under them all, pull through up to the top, right hand side, blue thread under all the threads, left hand side, blue underneath all the threads, right hand side, blue underneath, left hand side, blue underneath, right hand side, blue underneath, left hand side, blue underneath, right hand side, blue underneath, left hand side, blue underneath, right hand side, blue underneath, left hand side, blue underneath, right hand side, blue underneath. Can you see the pattern of the square knot? If you've not subscribed to my channel, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. I find it really therapeutic. So I'll come back when I've got the length that I want, which obviously is around the wrist, leaving a gap like this. So this is what it looks like. And this measures 16 centimeters. So I'm going to undo this end, undo that end. What I'm going to do is snip off these two ends. So there's one. Cut the other end. Then we take, so we've cut off the two outside ends, and we take our lighter, take this side, and then the other side. I'm just going to cut where those two end. The tail will be used for this part that we've just cut off. So there's the two inner ones. We're going to take the two outside ones off. Take our lighter, that's that one. There's the pattern. We want to keep them in line. Just going to pop a clip on here. Now what we're going to do on here is we choose a colour. I'm going to choose blue. This is a piece from what we've just cut off. Pop it underneath. Bring that side over. This side underneath. Up through there. And then pull. So we have this side. And then this one will go underneath, and then you pick it up there. And then pull. That side over, underneath, that side underneath, just like we were doing before, up through there, and then pull. I should have left it long and not cut it. I cut the piece I had left over in half. Then the last one, so we take the clip off, and what we're going to do now is the piece we've been tying, we're going to snip off and then burn the ends. I used to do them, cut them really close together, and then they would unravel. So I'd rather leave quite a long and then the bracelet, let that cool down. The bracelet will actually slide. We're just going to tie a knot in that side and then the same the other side. try and get it the same each side. Then we're going to snip those ends off and burn them off. There's our bracelet. And there is a Square Knot Macrame Bracelet. So remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.